This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own website using Wix. First, navigate to the Wix platform and sign up for a free account. You will then be prompted to choose a website type, like a business, portfolio, or online store. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, so select one that best fits your vision. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire online presence, making it simple to begin your creative journey. Once you have selected a template, it is time to customize your design. The Wix editor provides a powerful drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily change colors, fonts, and page layouts. You can upload your own images and videos or choose from Wix's extensive media library. Remember to optimize your site for mobile viewing, ensuring a seamless experience for visitors on any device. This step truly brings your unique vision to life. With your design in place, the next step is to populate your website with compelling content and useful features. Add all necessary pages, such as an About Us section, a contact form, and a services page. Explore the Wix app market to integrate powerful functionalities like an online store, booking system, or live chat. These additions can significantly enhance user engagement and provide valuable tools for your visitors, making your site truly dynamic. Finally, it is time to publish your website and share it with the world. Before going live, thoroughly review all pages and functionalities to ensure everything works perfectly. You can connect a custom domain name, giving your site a professional and memorable address. After publishing, leverage Wix's built-in SEO tools to help your website rank higher in search engine results, attracting more visitors to your brand new online home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.